Yesterday kisa fulani kiliweza kutokea na kuweza kuacha Wakenya wakizungumza asfa katika mitandao ya kijamii baada ya wanawake wawili kuweza kukamatwa na maafisa wa DCI baada ya kuweza kumtilia mchele mwanamume fulani ambaye aliweza kujiunga na wanawake hawa kwa ajili ya kileo. Na kupitia ukurasa wa DCI, the Mchele babes kama ambavyo wanatambulikana ni watu ambao wamekuwa very common in the country kwa sababu wana stepify the drink za watu kwenye vilabu alafu wanakwenda na kuwaibia. So right now nataka tuzamie karugano gaka kothe in details kwa sababu ni kitu ambacho kinaendelea sana na tungetaka sana kuweza kuokoa mashabiki wetu kutokana na mambo kama haya. Now, the Directorate of Criminal Investigation DCI through their social media pages walisema hivi: Mchele damsels in lockup after stepifying male clubber in Thika. In what appears to be a grand return of PISHORI babes now rocking nocturnal activities in Kiambu's Thika town, two damsels suspected to have stepified a male clubber at V-Sport nightlife yesterday are behind bars. The two women were spotted by the club supervisor who was concerned after seeing the two forcibly dragging a seemingly too drunk frequent customer to his Toyota Crown before putting him on the driver's seat in the drunken state. But even before he could intervene to stop the man from drink driving, he was caught agape by a rather unexpected scene of one of the women spraying something on her breast before she pulled the helpless man to breastfeed. The man had then completely passed out. The supervisor sought the help of a few colleagues to stop the women, who were then fleeing the scene after stealing the man's ATM cards and other personal documents. On being alerted about the incident, police officers from Thika station rushed to the scene where they found the unconscious man lying in his car with a bottle of alcohol, at whose base settled some white precipitate. More tablets of a yet to be identified drug were found on the women. The suspects were arrested and booked in cells as the heavily drugged man was escorted to hospital. The exhibits have since been taken to the government chemist for analysis. We wish to caution club goers, especially men, to be wary of such dangerous seductive criminals who lurk in bar shadows, targeting vulnerable cash-rich customers before dragging them and disappearing with their valuables. In some unfortunate incidences, victims of stepifying have their lives after being heavily dragged, hence the need to exercise caution and always party around known friends who would have your back in case of such danger. Togwa moigua Mchele ama tumete PISHORI babes ni macokete na thaici macokete na hakiria muno. Girora thĩinĩ wa comment section drona comment nyingĩ muno from different people ambao wana react to this. Namuona Hasha Omondi akisema hawa ikifika usiku wanakaa sweet 16 pombe ikiwa ipewe heshima zake. I mean Angel Mbudi anasema I think our admin is back. Linet Nafula anasema mimi sielewangi wanaume. Sasa wewe tu kuuria uelewi wanaume food eno ni wanaume wamepeana hiyo madawa. Ndio tukumuelewa atia. Tondu riu ndoka Kirabu ndetha mundu athiite kujikirira Mchele. Tutigane na uhoro ucio. Ili Feli Young Dream anasema kama nikinunua gari nitapoteza taste, acha nitembee na miguu. No wako uria. Victor MC Diegi anasema I stop going to this club because of this Mchele thing. Bonima Inambori anasema salute to alcohol, it turns stone into gold. Ego moiga neturathi na mbere kumuhe ohoro uri uraimirira nenda-ini cio kinyaniria and to keep you alert. For now, kira turakuhoya ni make sure ni subscribe kira YouTube channel ito ya FM Show K itucemanie kira video shito isheige.